Your car's radiator is one of the most essential components under the hood. But what happens when it fails? Engine overheating, costly repairs, and potentially dangerous situations. In this video, we'll dive into how radiators work, the key signs of failure, and most importantly, what you can do to stay ahead of costly repairs. Let's start with the basics. How does a radiator keep your engine cool? The radiator is located at the front of most vehicles. It works by circulating coolant, a special liquid designed to absorb and transfer heat through the engine. The coolant picks up heat from the engine and carries it to the radiator's core, where it passes through metal fins. These fins transfer heat from the coolant into the surrounding air. A fan or airflow created while driving helps dissipate this heat, ensuring the coolant that recirculates back into the engine is cool and ready to absorb more heat. But when the radiator stops functioning properly, that heat can't escape, and your engine overheats. Now let's break down the symptoms you need to watch for and what they mean. Symptom number 1. Check engine light. The first warning sign is your check engine light. While this light can mean many things, one of the most common issues tied to radiators is the P0217 code, which means your engine is overheating. If this light appears, don't ignore it. Have your vehicle diagnosed immediately. Symptom number 2. Overheated engine. This is when things can quickly go from bad to worse. If your engine overheats, you may notice smoke or steam coming from the hood, poor acceleration, a burning smell, or even strange clicking noises from the engine. Ignoring this can cause severe engine damage, so pull over and call for assistance if you notice these signs. Symptom number 3. Coolant leaks. Coolant leaks are another common symptom of radiator problems. If you see puddles of green, orange, or pink liquid beneath your car, your radiator or its hoses may be leaking. You might also notice a sweet smell when the engine is running, which is a telltale sign of leaking coolant. Ignoring leaks can lead to low coolant levels and eventually an overheated engine. Symptom number 4. Damage radiator fins. The radiator fins play a huge role in transferring heat from the coolant to the air. If these fins are damaged, airflow is restricted and heat becomes trapped, which can cause your radiator to fail. Regular inspections can help you catch damage early. Damaged fins often result from debris on the road, so regular inspections can prevent this issue. Symptom number 5. Clogged radiator. Over time, radiators can become clogged with dirt, rust, or other debris. A clogged radiator restricts the flow of coolant, making it impossible to transfer heat effectively. If you've just returned from a long road trip or notice a decrease in your engine's performance, it might be time to clean your radiator. Flushing your radiator periodically can save you from expensive repairs down the line. So, why is this all so important? Your radiator plays a vital role in keeping your engine at an optimal temperature. If it fails, your engine could overheat, warp, or even seize up, leading to thousands of dollars in repair costs. Regular maintenance, like coolant flushes and inspecting the radiator for damage, can go a long way in ensuring your vehicle stays reliable and safe. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's crucial to get professional help as soon as possible. Ignoring the signs of a bad radiator can lead to more extensive engine damage. At the first sign of trouble, schedule a service with a trusted mechanic or your local repair shop. Professionals can diagnose the issue quickly, whether it's a simple leak or a more complex problem like a failing core. Your car's radiator may not be the most glamorous part of your vehicle, but it's one of the most important. By recognizing these warning signs and acting quickly, you can save yourself time, money, and stress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching.